Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacko. We are carrying on with negative numbers. This time we're looking at multiplying negative numbers. A couple of key things we really need to remember. When you have a positive number and you multiply that by a negative number, you will get a negative answer, okay? And if you have a negative number and you multiply that by a positive number, you'll get a negative answer. And if you have a positive number, you should know this bit, multiplied by another positive number, you'll get a positive answer. And a negative number multiplied by another negative number equals a positive answer. Okay, some little things that we really need to make sure to remember, okay? Because it applies to a lot of other topics. So for example, on A, 6 multiplied by minus 5. Well, 6 times a positive 5 would be 30, because it's minus 5, that would be minus 30. Yeah, and that is it on this one. Be careful on this one. This is where people make mistakes on. A negative number multiplied by another negative number will give us a positive answer, okay? So that would be 32. Not minus 32, 32. Now this next one, be careful, there's 3 numbers now. Multiplication can be done in any order. So it doesn't matter if you do minus 3 multiplied by 7, then minus 2. It doesn't matter, you'll still get the same answer. If you ignore 7 for a second, so minus 3 multiplied by minus 2 will just be 6, a positive 6, because it's 2 negatives. Multiply that by 7, and that would be 42. And that's it for that one. Yeah, so 2 negatives. So minus 10 multiplied by minus 2 would be 20. And then we're multiplying 20 by minus 5. And that will be minus 100. And that is it. Multiply negative numbers. I would highly recommend watching this video here for more videos on negative numbers. Okay, you've really got to know for the exam. It is not long, okay? It is in May. Take care, and I'll see you next time.